You want lower CPU temperatures or
Lower CPU temps. NoobTube for the win.
lower CPU temps with higher voltage or lower voltage and higher CPU temps?
The first one.
Which was?
Lower temps.
Got it. That's what I got it set at.
That's weird. There's some weird inefficiency there on that chip.
No,
Or
it's
the
not the
motherboard.
chip. It's just how I'm doing the overclock.
You ready for this NoobTube action?
Oh.
This is so terrible.
I'll probably use this in multiplayer. Wow. I literally about just died.
Same. This is so bad. Now when it's packed and you have Ring of Fire, and you
Ring
can
of
spam
Fire?
It's so you can spam it with Ring of Fire. It's automatic or semi-automatic. There's no reload. It's just pow 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 pow. I needed a zombie bad.
You got one?
Yeah. Ooh, point blank. Nice. I'll take it.
Ow!
Yeah. I'm just gonna shoot at the wall. Oh, that works. Don't. Oh, okay, I was gonna say, God, please don't shoot right there.
Would it kill you too?
I don't know. Did that
That's
hurt
the
you?
stupidest idea ever. No.
Okay, then no.
I need quick reload now.
It ain't gonna help. You only have like 2 or 3 more shots, and that's it.
What do you mean? Oh my god! This is the stupidest idea. This is worse than the Pellington.
Yeah. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Well, that's that.
Damn it! Ooh, a stem shot.
Alright, got ammo.
Ammo. Reload! Yes. Quick reload.
Wow. So you have a ton more kills than me.
And what I need is the instant. What is it called?
Ring of Fire.
No. Where you can get health fast.
I don't know, I'm out of ammo again.
Damn it! You had to say something.
I'm dead.
I hate you.
You're dead too.
No, I'm not.
Go.
I don't get ammo.
Ow, that hurt. It hit you.
Did not hurt me though. Which is
Oh,
good.
that hurt me. I got it about killed me.
Well, I got a stem shot. I never said many. I've got a stem shot. I guess I'm just knifing. There's a stun grenade here if you want.
Nah, it's fine. You run out of ammo?
No. Or I've been out of ammo for like almost 2 rounds now.
Oops. I'm trying to level this thing up.
Well, I can't because I ain't got no nut or anything to shoot with.
Yeah, but you don't have to level it up. I'm just doing it for camo. There's no attachments for this.
I want some freaking ammo.
I got a little bit of ammo. Ooh,
I
I
got
got a max
9.
ammo. There you go.
Great, I got 12 fucking shots.
Yeah, that.
Wow, almost killed myself.
Ain't it fantastic?
Oh, it's horrible.
And everybody uses this, you said.
I think this is worse than War Machine.
Now you can spam War Machine.
Yep, about to kill myself again. It's not even killing them at 1 shot anymore.
Oh no, and it's an explosive and it makes no sense. They're humanoid. It should. It should totally one-shot zombies for almost ever. Oh nice. I'm gonna come wherever you are. Where are you?
Swamp?
I'm bringing zombies.
No! I got plenty!
Nah.
I hate you. I have ammo again.
Look, a Zan baby. There's some
Oh.
ammo. Man, if we could just get this pack-a-punched.
I was wondering how people in multiplayer were using this fucking weapon. Now I fucking know.
What? They're not. Garbage.
Yes, they are.
How?
I don't know, cause
Oh, that helped. Except I'm out of ammo again.
no, I got some ammo just now.
Dude. Insta kill. This is fantastic with insta kill.
I'm gonna go get Juggernog.
Yeah, I done picked that up because I picked up that and the extra health.
Same. And fast reload.
Oh, we still had insta kill for 5 more seconds.
Take that X.
Ooh, I got a camo for this? Hey! You know how hard it's gonna be to max this thing out?
What?
This stupid grenade launcher.
Go in multiplayer. Trust me, you'll get all the kills. Tell me how I know that.
How you know that?
Cause the person that was using it yesterday, all the kills.
Ooh, max ammo.
Yeah, you knock him down, I'll stab him.
Nice, got another level. This is garbage.
Yeah, agreed. Holy crap!
Got you.
I just want to live!
They're all damaged. So if you hit them, we both get time. Yeah. There's Semitex over there.
I got it.
Fast reload actually helps a lot with this.
Yeah. Until you run out of ammo.
Yeah, well. I'm gonna keep it to one shot until I can pick up some ammo, because otherwise you knife slower.
No. You can switch to
Your fist?
no. Alright, I'm gonna go get ammo mod.
Oh wow, that would actually probably be alright.
Cause it might get
You got your comeuppance.
like brain rot or something.
That would be cool. Ooh, what's that? What's that? What's that?
Time.
Froze.
Gonna die.
No, I got you. Except that was my
I
last
picked
bullet. I'm gonna die.
I really don't.
Yeah, we're both having to knife now.
Well, I do have Semitexes.
Oh, I have.
C4 right here.
I'll just pick up some ammo. That's what I need.
C4 right there.
Do a double point.
To the morgue with you.
Knife is no longer a
You know,
one-hit
it's a-
kill. Backing up.
Yeah, I know. You know it's level 11, right?
Yeah, we need to go pack our noob tubes.
Shit.
What? That's how you get ammo, right?
Yeah, rip. I'm trying.
Alright, let's go, let's move.
Yeah, right.
Got him. Come on. I knocked him down. Come on.
I'm just trying to survive. Go, 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 go! What's behind you?
Got him. Nice. Let's go, let's go. Oh god.
Stabby, stabby.
Stabby, stabby, mother trucker.
Go, 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 go.
I need a damn baby.
Go, 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 go. I'll see if I can open it. I opened it.
Can you go kill one of those? I don't care which one, just kill one. It should give me time.
I got time.
It did not give me time. That gave me time.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
I need a zombie bad, but also have... Oh wait, no, you're killing the ones that I've damaged, so I'm still getting time. This is fine.
Oh god, oh god, oh god! I can't pack.
I'm gonna try it. Wish me luck.
Ah!
Oh, this is amazing. It's rapid fire when it's packed.
You only get 4 fucking shots.
What do you mean?
Undead threat neutralized.
I'm down. Fuck. I
What?
should have done my special. I'm dead.
Oh god. Look at
This is so stupid. you get more ammo when it's back.
Yes,
Nice.
tons. Oh my god, look at that. This is shreds.
This is stupid.
Ooh, look, ammo. Ow.
I think you can buy armor. Well, yeah, you've got armor. Never mind.
Ow. Oh god, what do I do in these situations?
Good luck.
Nope,
You don't do that again.
Nope, I'm dipping out. Oh, it one shot at that dog though. Oh, I hope so though. He's kind of a doggy dog.
Kaboom!
Camos for days. Rapid fire's kind of nice.
Well, I'm back! Alright, it's back. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Like, I need quick reload.
At least it's open.
Damn it!
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Not.
Where he at though? Alright, I split him.
I'm going up to the airplane wing to get a shotgun. Damn it!
Stun grenade out.
I got me a shotgun.
Nice.
Now I can get Jug.
I'm dead.
What?
Almost. Megatons.
Dude, do your special.
What do you mean?
You got a special.
Yeah, I did it.
Oh. Was you get Ring of Fire?
Yeah, apparently. That's what's on this class. I didn't make this class
Trash.
today. It's just something I had. Oh, dang, Bo.
I'm just trying to save up for perks.
I'm dead. I died. Oh.
I hate you.
Hey, there's 2 megatons. They're one shot, both of them. You got a shotgun. That's cheating.
Shut up. Leave me alone. I'm trying to live. And I died, so don't judge me.
That's true. The other one should be almost dead too, just by the way. You should be able to kill him easy too. I Ring of Fired him, but Ring of Fire ran out before they split. I got him alive. I need an instant kill.
Remember, I you know, died, so I'm trying to live.
True. And the base keeps running, and running.
And running.
I'm trying to go get me some Percocults. Gotta have old perks.
Fuck! So many zombies! If only I had something that exploded.
Like an insta-kill. Oh, this is rough, man. Oh, I don't have Jug. This is really rough. Whoops.
One less hostile cadaver.
Well, that helps you.
No, it don't. I don't have armor.
Oh.
You were the only one that picked up armor, dude. Or bought, whatever the case may be.
Picked it up.
So many crawlers!
Ow. Crawlers
Yep.
for days. Oh my god, point blank. And it's not only does it not kill them, it kills me.
Ammo?
Huh?
Or, you talking about grenade?
The grenade launcher. It hurts.
A grenade?
Monkey armed and dangerous. Sorry, you have to share.
I like it.
Me too.
Did you get another weapon?
Nope, I am still using the grenade launcher only.
I want to live.
I've got like 4 camos. Oh, you want to actually try? I didn't pick a class to try.
Fine, I'll use just this.
I just picked something to dick around with for...
I thought we were going to try to live, though.
I'm dead. I can't even try to... It don't even matter. I think there's armor down here. Just laying on the ground. I'm not 100%. God, look at that health damage. It takes off so much. I'll spawn back in with a different gun and we'll try to live. I'll spawn in with a Deemer.
See that shot?
Yeah, do it again. That wasn't it.
Fuck
Oh
off.
God, run. Uh-oh, you're dead.
No!
Oh, you got lucky. Whew, and that hurt.
Yeah.
Nope, armor's gone.
God dang it.
It spawned when I died. When my last grenade killed me and the zombie, there was armor.
Ah!
You need to turn around and shoot something bad.
Rip.
You were too close and you shot like 5 foot away. Now just spam it, spam it. It's semi-auto. Is that not fantastic though?
No, it's horrible. I'm trying to just kill him with splash damage.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Oh God, you missed. Nice. Whew. Man, that's some luck right there.
Damn it, I'm dead.
Nope, you're good, you're good.
Your definition of good and mine are way different.
Ooh, a stim shot.
Yeah, I can't get to it.
User shoddy.
Never!
Oh God. It went half your health.
This
Ooh,
is
a brain
fine.
rot.
Yeah, brain rot!
But he's a crawler. Your brain rot is slow. He's a crawler.
It's something! Leave me alone, Nate! This brain rot's stupid.
Yeah. Hey, I'm back.
Good. Help.
Oh God, I'm dead. Yeah, there's no chance of me surviving, Millie.
No shit!
I can't get through pack. There's my timer. I'm dead. Impossible.
I just want to live!
Good luck.
Rip.
Living. See, if... What is it? Jug. If Jug was down here, it'd be alright.
How many stuff to get? Oh, run fast mod. Got it. Dead shot is pointless.
Not necessarily. We don't know what it does with this. You need to go level 2 pack that. Or is that
Do
my
what?
money? Is that my money or your money?
I don't know!
Ooh, there you go. Now you can go get, run fast.
Rip.
Neutralize the zombie.
God dang it, fuckers. Rip.
You got this. Just blast into the tunnels. You haven't even ADS, have you?
No.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
There's no uh-oh.
Oh, you're dead.
You shut your mouth.
You got so lucky.
I don't believe in luck.
That was luck. shot, that's all you got. Whew. Ooh, and a stem shot.
You shut up, Nate!
You saw that, right? He's big and green.
I saw nothing!
Ow.
See, I ADS that. You saw nothing!
I saw it all. It's all recorded.
Go away!
You ran away from all the zombies.
Shut up!
Tango fully expired. I hope so. He exploded.
Fuck it!
Pack or shoddy? Yeah, because he's coming after you. There you go.
Don't judge!
Why is the Megaton with me?
Cause he likes you!
Tell him to go away. Tell him to quit being mean.
Go, Brainwatch! Fly! Fuck you, Megaton. That's hurt a lot. Where'd that Megaton go?
I don't know, but I'm helping you get, well, I'm helping me die, apparently.
Oh, shit!
What?
Megaton just played baseball with my face.
Ow.
It's good for a secondary gun.
Yeah.
He's splitting.
To the morgue with you.
Where's he at?
Right there. Close to it.
I'm dead again.
Fuck, fuck, fuck.
Nope, I am not. I'm alive.
I just want to live with the headshot power. Holy shit! Holy shit!
What?
That's enough out of you.
Ouch!
That
Really?
sounded promising.
I just want to live!
These rifles do have excellent range.
I'm dead. They pushed me into a glitch spot on the plane wing. I was stuck. Couldn't move, couldn't shoot. All I could do was change weapons. I give up.
Shit's hard.
Yeah, starting with a grenade launcher. You don't have the mod on the thingy either, do you?
The what?
The ammo mod. Armor. Oh god.
Go pack or shoddy and pack. Something and pack. Go on vacation and pack. I don't fucking care.
Pack to go on vacay.
It's not easy whatsoever, Nate.
Nope. But
This is
it's
fun.
fun.
I enjoy it.
Insta kill.
Thank you.
Undead threat neutralized.
Now I got the ammo mod.
On your grenade launcher?
No.
Oh. I meant on your grenade launcher. I had it on mine.
One of the big guys down. Or small big guys, whatever.
Yep.
What the fuck? I did not mean to do that. He down.
Nice. I got him about quarter of the way down, and I ran. He kept throwing flaming piles of crap at me. There you go, carpenter for you.
I just bought armor, but
Oh.
I'll take it. I think I still prefer a bigger whatchamacallit?
What? Field of view?
Yeah. Can't exactly modify anything right now.
Nope. Nice. This I need.
Whenever you watch this, you're gonna be like, "How did you survive?"
That good, huh?
I never say anything about good. I can almost level 2 pack. Should I do grenade launcher?
No. What do you mean?
Yeah, got it. Grenade launcher.
Dead. I ran by.
I almost died on time.
Oh well. I ran by zombie and died. Whatever.
Neutralize the zombie.
Are you watching this still?
Yeah. Whew. I hate that you can still take damage in that.
Same, but not different.
Well, when we get the, if we ever get like PhD flopper or something back, I ain't gotta worry about that. Uh-oh.
I can level 2 pack it. I'm gonna level 2 pack it.
Do it.
If I can get to it.
That's enough.
Damn it, strong.
Is there a jug in here?
Yep.
Great.
Motherfucker, this thing is strong.
What, the grenade launcher?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's a juggernaut.
Yep.
There went my armor. I do not have that for armor. Fuck.
I got a timer freeze.
I like it.
Yeah, me too.
I need one piece of green that I can get armor. Ah, I killed myself. Fuck.
Did you? With the grenade launcher?
Yeah.
Ah!
And of course, Nate's gonna outlive me again. No matter how good I do. Every fucking time.
Not by much, though.
Not worth it. Just get out of there. Go get some armor.
With what?
Oh my god, I'm alive!
I hope you picked off of the grenade launcher.
Nope, I got grenade launchers. I just killed myself with a grenade launcher. Some bitch. Apparently you need like Juggernog and yeah.
Yeah.
So that was stupid of me. If you live, I'm gonna pick it again. Be stupid, but I don't care. I mean, we got a lot further than I thought we would have.
Yeah, me too, since we both started with garbage grenade launchers. But it was fun, huh?
Your definition of fun and mine are way different.
Why is he throwing his meat at me?
What?
Why was he throwing his meat at me? I'm standing still.
I don't know. Yeah, you're like me when you're like, I don't care if I hit him or not, I just want to shoot.
Yep, pretty much. That's the point. Ow,
Ouch!
ow, ow. Nope. As long as I hit one.
You literally only have one fucking perk, dude. Get the fast reload.
I can't get nothing. I don't have time. I can only fire off one shot at a time.
That's why I say go get fast reload. Down, doggy. Well, you're a lot better at headshot than I am, that's for damn sure. Hacks!
Yeah, totally, on PC.
Hacks!
Well, I guess that's actually a thing, because Steve, but, you know, whatever.
Because I see you aiming for their head.
Yeah, because Deadshot. Deadshot gives so much damage bonus.
Yeah, but I don't even... Yeah, I can't do that.
I can't do it in multiplayer.
Get the fuck out of here! Here's the plan. Throw a grenade.
I don't have one.
Then see if you can get the run fast perk. I would not have went up there.
I'm on a big time winning streak.
I need this and this.
Get something, get something.
Got it.
We got jug and reload faster.
Yeah. And I need that.
Alive!
Oh god, run.
No! No! Ouch! Don't have my health.
Oh, I'm dead. Woohoo! God.
Speed cola, got me some speed cola. Gonna get shot in the face. Fuck. Timer's gonna start, and there's not gonna be anyone down here. Watch this.
You can't go wrong with these.
Yep, no one down here. 5. Holy crap, I'm still alive. I'm dead.
What?
You've got to come up with this.
Splash damage, dude.
Oh yeah. Ow. Ow.
Stabby, stabby.
Might as well. On the off chance I get a ray gun. That is not a ray gun, it's purple.
What? Armor.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh, I haven't had armor for a while. They done broke it a long time ago.
Undead hostile eliminated.
That armor right there on the ground. Maybe.
Well, at least you got armor. You need the stem shot, stem shot.
Good call.
I just looked, I don't know, saw your health. I was like, oh fuck.
Get these megatons out of here.
True. Yeah, insta kill's gone. Fucking dog, man. You almost got enough for level 2 pack. Oh, you already got level 2. Never mind.
Yeah. That was the first. I wouldn't have survived this long without it. We're too high of a round.
So basically what you're saying is I'm screwed regardless.
No, you'll have enough for level 2 pack as soon as you start.
Another zombie KIA.
Fucking dogs! Be nice if the timer was frozen when I spawned, but...
It is sort of ish.
You need the quick... go down to the swamp.
Yep.
Get that.
Why are you throwing your meat at me? I'm on the ground.
Down you go, all of you. Throwing C4 charge.
So close. You drop your hatchets by accident?
Nope, on purpose.
Oh.
To pick up the C4 so I could get a
I'm
perk.
back!
Oh god, run.
No! Alright, quick reload. Cause you're gonna need it. Go faster, go faster, go faster!
You should have also bought Jug while you were at it. Just FYI.
To the morgue with you.
There's no one here.
Did your timer start?
Yeah.
Ouch. Are you dead again?
Nope.
Okay.
3 seconds.
I have no one here.
I got enough for a level 2 pack. Can't get to it though. I'm still alive, I'm still alive! I'm almost not alive.
Where you at?
Pack a punch.
You need help?
No one's here. Let me see if I can do level 2 pack. Got level 2 pack.
Could use the timer frozen.
Yeah, no shit! Need an enemy. There we go. I'm good. I'm good. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Ooh, grenade.
I'll bring
Yes,
some to you.
No!
Yep, they're behind you.
I hate you, Nathan. Seriously hate you.
And still, now you should not hate me.
Still hate you. Ooh, armor!
I got a papa, so I'm gonna use this bullet weapon as a insta gun. And now I'm not.
It really hurts! Shit! Alright, I'm going for Jug.
I got a timer freeze if I can get to it. Okay, you're good. Go, go, go.
It had to be an armor zombie. Don't you throw your damn meat at me.
I know, right? Makes no sense.
Any day now!
Throwing C4.
Great! Cause why wouldn't there be jugs after me? 2 jugs of airplane. Oh, it's a big jug. I'm dead.
Are you?
Yeah.
I'm about
I
to
ran
die
out of time.
I'm about to die from standing in this guy's jug junk.
That's the problem with higher levels. It literally punishes you for dying earlier.
Yep. Ow.
What armor?
Yeah, really.
You ain't even got enough time to get armor. 2 seconds.
Plague
Wow.
Hound saved my life. How
What
often
saved
do
your
we
life?
say that? The Plague Hound? Because he's always a one-hit kill with his shotgun.
There was a stem shot back there.
Yeah, I can't. There's no chance.
Throw us a stun grenade.
Hope you're watching this.
Now I'm good.
See if you can get that stem shot. That's when it help. Fuck that. What armor?
I know, and I just bought
There's
it.
stem shot right there. It's a hatchet.
Yep, I don't have anything tactical or
You got stun grenades.
Throwing stun.
okay.
Neutralize and eliminate.
That's funny. Don't mind me!
Yeah, you can skate on these things too. Have you seen that?
No.
Yeah. Oh, and you move like stupid fast too. Like it's like you're on an actual skateboard. Here, I'll show you. No, no, I won't either.
I'm alive!
Oh, you're alive. Run.
I got level 2 back!
Nice.
Get the fuck out of here!
I'm semi-protecting you.
I might be able to get Alright, so I got quick reload. Fuck it! We're winging it!
To the morgue with you.
You know, if I'm gonna die, this time I'm at least gonna have some fun. Ah!
There's a gold level Howler right there.
You said something about something?
Yeah, there's a gold shotgun right there. It's real strong. If you can pack it. There's also a fire right there too.
God dang it! I was reloading.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, that was bull.
Kaboom!
Oh well. Oh well.
I did great until I died the first time.
That was fun.